The Bullitt is back. Ford's on once more, off again exceptional version Mustang respecting the observed Steve McQueen motion picture Bullitt was towards this mid-year, in the nick of time to check the 50th commemoration of the film. This is the third time Ford has offered a Bullitt-marked unique release, following past variants in the 2001 and in the 2008-2009 model years. Demonstrated after the 1968 Ford Mustang 390 GT fastback driven by McQueen's character, Frank Bullitt, the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt release expands on the substance of the Mustang GT Premium with a performance bundle that incorporates overhauls, for example, Brembo 6-cylinder front brakes, a Torsen restricted slip differential, a bigger back-against-move bar, and a greater radiator to keep the Bullitt's 5.0-liter V8 motor cool amid broadened pursuits. It needs all the more cooling on the grounds that the Bullitt turns the warmth up on the husky bold 8's execution politeness of an emission complex cribbed from the Shelby GT 350, 87mm throttle bodies, and a recalibrated powertrain control module. These progressions result in a sum of 475 strength, or 15 more than the ordinary Mustang GT, and help the Bullitt accomplish a best speed of 163 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour more than the Mustang GT. Torque holds relentless at 420 pounds to foot, and a 6-speed manual is the sole transmission advertised. To better station the soul of the first motion picture auto, the 2019 Mustang Bullitt has been stripped of all outside badging. A solitary trunk-mounted identification denotes the model's association with the film and mirrors the outline of a fuel-filler top. Moreover, Ford sprinkles the Bullitt with chrome around its badgeless grille and around its window line. Red brake calipers and 19-inch wheels finish the auto's look. 2 paint hues will be accessible, Highland Green, similar to the first motion picture auto, and Shadow Black. Inside, the Bullitt incorporates display particular signals, for example, green complements showing all through its cowhide line inside, a white prompt ball-style move lever, and an extraordinary welcome realistic inside the auto's 12.0-inch advanced check bunch. Choices are few, however incorporate an accessible versatile suspension, Recaro seats, and a hardware bundle that includes route, memory seating, and blind side checking with raised cross-activity caution. Ford has not yet discharged estimating data for the 2019 Mustang Bullitt. Anticipate that it will cost a couple of $1,000s more than the $43,990 cost of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium with the GT Performance Bundle. The Bullitt version goes at a bargain at mid-year.